Listen to this when I squat. Why does this happen? You ready? You ready? Shh, shh, shh. Listen. You hear that pop? What is that?
This is knee crepitus. It's the crackling, popping, or grinding sounds your knee makes when you move. It's super common and usually harmless, but it tends to happen more often with age. It can be caused by gas bubbles, tendons or ligaments shifting, or just natural joint changes. If you've had a knee injury or surgery, that could also play a role. Crepitus itself isn't a problem, but if you have pain or swelling, it's best to get it checked out. Let me know if this helps and follow to improve your health IQ.